Hi loves, welcome to the channel. It's a brand new video for you today. It will be a clean with me video. These type of videos are the most successful videos in my channel. Guys, don't forget to support the channel so the channel can grow and we can do amazing things with that. I appreciate all of you for watching. Thank you for clicking if it's your first time, and let's crack on with this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. So, loves, I hope wherever you are, you're having a great time. And if you are not, be sure, make no mistake, tomorrow will be better for you. That's why we have night and day. It cannot be night forever and it cannot be day forever. So going through, if you are going through anything, anyone that is watching my channel, I want you to know that you are part of my family. I'm here to empower you, I'm here to entertain you, I'm here to share life with you. Smash that like button and subscribe if it's your first time in this channel. Guys, I appreciate you. I pray that God exalt your life, bless your life, and together we can make this channel grow and more amazing things will be happening for entertainment and reviews and so much more. It can happen if we come together. This is not only my show, it's not only my channel. You're only gonna get amazing when you guys participate. Comment below as well, guys. And also, I've got to watch my other videos. I do fragrance, beauty, lifestyle type of video. Smash that like button, my friend, and thank you so much. Is my desire to start making more DIY things with the craft in this channel as well. I don't know if something that people are gonna enjoy it, or if YouTube will push it, or if it's just gonna die like other videos that I try to do. It kind of doesn't take off, but we know one day it will happen. We know will happen. We just have to keep the consistency going. YouTube requires consistency. Is one of the hardest platform to grow, especially if you kind of sort of dip in and out. They don't push the videos out. It's a very, very, very demanding platform. You have to be available, be there. You have to keep uploading, otherwise you see no results. Like I haven't seen no results for many years because I was away for many, many years, and came back 2 years ago. But because life is lifing, okay, life is lifing. There's it costed me a lot. it's costing me a lot, and a lot of my dreams are being shut down by personal issues. But God is great. God is great, and we don't lose hope. Hope is the last thing a man should lose. Okay, we keep pushing. We keep pushing. We are different type of people. Yes, guys. I actually have you guys noticed my voice changed. When you're suffering so much. Everything changes, even your voice. But also with that, a lot of power start living with you. Those falls are actually lessons in life. Yeah, guys. Whatever you're going through, like I said, don't make any type of mistake thinking that this is the end for you. You're just starting. Okay? You are just starting. But yes, guys, smash like button. I'm excited to bring videos up on videos up on video, guys. You're gonna see a lot of me, and if you my OG, oh my God, I love you too so much. And like I said, thank you for your support. I really, really appreciate. Thank you, my friends.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
I think this mop is playing with me. Guys, don't buy this type of mop. Sponge mop is annoying. It's annoying, and I mean, it takes ages to do the job. As you can see here, I'm just like, and the bucket as well, that's supposed to rinse the sponge, it broke. So now I just have to spray. It's not like a deep clean, but it's getting the job done. So it's getting the job done. And that's what matters. And another thing, the dark flooring, it shows every single crumb, okay? And I did buy new flooring from Poundland. I bought quite a lot. In fact, I don't even know where I put it. Because I was thinking I wouldn't be able to cut the corners, make it look like, you know, like seamless. But I think I can get the job done. But just stay tuned to the channel. I'll be trying a lot of things. I want to renew my apartment. I've been saying that a lot. I want to redo it. I want to look spectacular without spending a lot, just with my creativity and my talent, my God-given talent. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press that notification button. When I upload new videos, YouTube will notify you. Am I giving you fashion? My foot just looks so funny there. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. As you can see here, my mop, it was mopping, right? It was mopping. I should have dusted first, because as you can see here, you know, I think I done the job upside down, you know, in a different order. But nevertheless, you know, is getting everything clean. So that's what matters. So loves, I finished doing my dishes and cleaning my kitchen. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm going to put everything away later on, or maybe tomorrow, maybe I film it, me putting everything away. It just depends. Yes, so nothing better than having your kitchen clean and your bathroom cleaned. Is a great feeling, guys. So I feel like there's nothing in the sink, the stove is cleaned, everything is cleaned. So just amazing, great feeling. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Take care of yourself and each other.